Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and if you're looking for a truly all-weather Adirondack chair, you've got to check out this one from Restcozi. I just love that I don't have to worry if it's sunny, rainy, snowy, windy, whatever. I can leave this chair outside and it's going to weather it just fine because it's made out of HDPE. Even though I leave it outside in all kinds of weather, the color hasn't faded at all, which I just love. It's a really beautiful, brilliant navy blue. And I got the classic style with the cup holder because come on, let's face it, when you're outside lounging, you want a cup holder so that you can really enjoy the experience. I love that this comes partly pre-assembled. Part of the back and the seat are already completed, and so it just takes you a little bit of time to put it all together, and it comes with everything that you need to complete it. This came really well packaged. Everything was nicely insulated, so there were no dings or bumps on anything. And I find this to be quite comfortable. The HDPE is really smooth, and the curve on the seat in the back just make it really a pleasure to sit in. This is a perfect addition to my backyard for around the fire pit, or if we want to have friends over and just hang out outside and enjoy things. I really love this chair from Rest Cozy, and that's my point of view.